Hey y'all, it's Jenny. It's been a while since I've done a recipe and I thought I'd share one of my latest favorites. It's called Eggplant Parmesan. So if you'll come on over here, I'll show you what you're going to need to make it. Okay, so what you're going to need is one eggplant, and you're going to slice the eggplant into circles 1/4 of an inch thick, and then you're going to lay them out on a plate, sprinkle with a little sea salt. That's going to draw out some of that bitter taste, and you're going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then you'll rinse the salt off and then blot it with a paper towel. You're also going to need 2 eggs. I've already cracked my eggs. 2 cups of breadcrumbs, and I just use plain breadcrumbs. You're going to use 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and I did not have mozzarella, so I'm using Monterey Jack cheese. And then you'll use 2 cups of marinara sauce, and that's it. Okay, so you're just going to place your eggplant in the egg, and you're going to coat that. And then place it in your breadcrumbs. Coat it really good. And then you'll take it and place it on your cookie sheet. And you'll just repeat that process with all of your eggplant pieces. So now you're going to put your eggplant in for 15 minutes on 375 degrees, and then you'll take them out and flip them and put them back in for another 15 minutes. Alright, so now we're ready to pour on our marinara. So you're going to use 2 cups of that, and you're just going to coat your eggplant. Alright, I'm going to just spread that out a little bit. I did not do a very good job pouring it on. Just make sure each piece is coated. All right.
Are they crispy?
They are very crispy. Crispy, crispy. All right. Now you're going to sprinkle a 1/4 cup of cheese. You can use more than a 1/4 cup, but I'm trying to keep it healthy. And just sprinkle all over. And after you do that, you're just going to put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes until your cheese is nice and melted. And here's what it looks like all plated up. And that's it. You've got your eggplant parmesan.